You're listening to Only in Seattle.
One of the things we were talking about earlier is your use of Instagram in social media. What does you, and that's the main thing that you use. So tell me a little bit about how does Instagram and social media, how does that help you bring in business?
Well, it's the same as we've always done. I mean, when I first started, I used to send out a mailer. I would make my own mailer, cut and paste a mailer, and send it. And it's just a contact. It's a top of mind awareness thing.
Yep. It's a reach out.
It's the hey, that's right. He's in real estate sort of thing, which is,
Gunnar Hadley, broker with Windermere.
It amazes me that people, and the statistics are amazing. I don't have them in front of me, but it's something like 17 or 20% of people use their same real estate agent as they used in the transaction before. And a lot of that's just top of mind awareness that you're there then. I remember going through my kids' junior or middle school and grade school and ended up selling houses to a couple of the teachers, the principal, and now I'm not doing that. Because that's where I was at. I wasn't marketing to those people. They just knew what I did, and I was there when they needed to move. So I think social media, and in particular with me, Instagram, is a great way to do that, to say, oh, that's right, Gunnar's in real estate.
And do you have a percentage that you work with? I know a lot of people say, all right, let's do 30% personal posts, 70% business, something like that.
I don't. I just kind of look at what I have out there, and I see... for example, now I think I have too many just listeds or just sold sort of thing, and so I threw out something that was maybe a little more personal. So I'm pretty private, so that's hard for me. Yeah, just what it looks like, and just let people know that I'm out there.
Right. Do you use Facebook at all?
I do not.
Okay.
I do not.
How about LinkedIn?
I do, but I don't leverage that much.
Yeah. It's kind of a harder one for us to leverage.
Yeah, I see the value maybe in more of a corporate scenario, and I could be wrong. Maybe there's some people.
Especially if you're looking for a new job.
Yeah, you can always tell, right? You can always tell.
Yeah, that's so funny. And do you still do actual mailers?
I do in a different sort of way. I have some magazine subscriptions that I purchase for clients, and so they get them literally periodically. Yeah. And so that has my name and number on it, and it's not I really don't want to market in a traditional sense. I want it to be very sincere. Yeah. I'm not very comfortable sending out branded stuff that everybody else sends out and statistics and things like that. But I do want them to know that I'm still in real estate and happy.
Keep them on the top of their mind. But you've never been an over the top kind of pushy.
I can't do it.
That standard real estate broker.
Yeah, I can't do it.
And that's probably why you and I have connected, because I'm kind of not that way either.
Though there are very successful agents that have done that and continue to do that. Yeah. So that's not saying but that's not genuine to me. It's not comfortable.
It's a personality thing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video is out.